Good morning, students and staff. It's Tuesday, the 6th of October, and time for the WBDQ Top Dog News.
Please stand and join us in saying the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Reporting for today are Miss Medlin,
Miss Harley,
and Miss Hanson.
It's time for our school announcements. Are you listening? When I say purple, you say gold. Purple.
Gold.
Purple.
Gold.
Well, we live in a world of put-downs. TV characters, for example, seem funny because of their snappy insults, but real people are hurt by this kind of language. So try some kind words and notice the difference in people's reactions.
Yes, it's always kinder to laugh with someone than at someone. Well, now please let's give a kind welcome to our guest, fourth grade teacher, Ms. Hanson. Welcome, Ms. Hanson.
Thank you so much. I'm so glad to be here today. For those of you guys who don't know me, I'm one of the new fourth grade teachers at Ben Quinn, and I'm so excited to see all of your faces on a regular basis. So today, in fourth grade, I talk a lot about science right now. In the fourth grade, we are in different groups. So I specifically am teaching science, and our students are learning about nutrition. So I'm just going to show you what it's like to be in my class on a normal basis about one of the cool things that we learn about. So our learning target for the past couple weeks, for the past 2 weeks, is I can explain the role of vitamins and minerals and exercise in maintaining a healthy body. We're going to go through what it looks like on different nutrition labels and what makes up the foods we eat. So one of the things we talked about today was whole grains. Did you know that every whole grain that grows every grain that grows is a whole grain in its original form? A whole grain is made up of 3 different parts. Each of these 3 parts contain important components for our nutrition. So you see there's a bran, the endosperm, and a germ. So I know not germs like you get when you're sick. It's all different things in one certain kernel. And that could be corn, wheat, rice, barley, all different types of foods. But you want to make sure that you're looking for something that uses 100% whole grains, which means all 3 parts. Here's an example of 2 different food labels. In our class in fourth grade right now, we are looking at these 2 food labels to figure out what are the nutrition facts that are good for our body. Everything that we eat takes a part in how we grow and develop. So for instance, if I'm looking at this Cheetos, I know a lot of you guys like Cheetos, you can see it's 160 calories, but it doesn't really have that much protein or good fiber for me. It also does not have good minerals and vitamins like vitamin A, calcium. It's got a lot of things that are very low. Also, if I'm looking at the could you go back? Sorry. If you're looking at the ingredients, you'll see there's things like enriched cornmeal. What's that? Over on the peanut butter side, you see different things that you should be eating and talking about serving size. So the serving size of 1 bag of Cheetos means you can eat that whole tiny bag of Cheetos. But if you're eating peanut butter, you should really make sure that you're only eating the 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. If we're comparing the 2, you can see that peanut butter has more protein, which is good for your digestive system and gives you energy. It also has a lot more vitamins like iron, potassium, and calcium. If we're looking at these 2, you can also see the ingredients sometimes have things that we don't necessarily want to eat on a regular basis. When I'm looking at my peanut butter, like this one I just got from the store, I'm making sure it has only the 2 ingredients. So in this case, it's almond butter, and I'm only looking for almonds and sea salt. So when you are looking at nutrition labels, it's really important to compare the 2 to see, well, what kind of foods are in them and what kind of tales do they tell you? So maybe if you're looking at the 2, you see, well, both of these are about the same calories, but one has a little bit more nutrition than the other. So I definitely shouldn't be eating too many scoops of peanut butter, but it has some good nutrition for myself. So what are the whole grains that you're eating on a regular basis? What food labels do you need to look at? Go ahead around your house and grab some different food labels that you see. Find out what vitamins and nutrients are in your favorite foods.
Thank you so much, Ms. Hanson.
Of course.
Well, now it's birthday time. Who is celebrating a birthday today and tomorrow?
Claire in 4th grade and Miraculous in 3rd grade are celebrating their birthdays today.
Well, tomorrow, Lexi in London in kindergarten, along with Mia in 3rd grade and Joshua in 5th grade, will be celebrating a birthday. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
The character word for September is respect. As we mentioned yesterday, there are many ways to show respect, even while on Zoom with your teacher and classmates. Today, we're going to recognize our 2nd and 3rd graders who were selected by their teachers. So in 3rd grade, we have Christopher, Colton, Destiny, and Zoe. And then in 2nd grade, we have Hugh, and we have Sophia Miller and Sophia Montagna. So congratulations to those 2nd and 3rd graders. And on Thursday, we'll recognize our kindergarten and our 1st graders.
Well, thank you for watching. And now we'd like everyone to join us in saying the 3 B's.
Be respectful.
Be responsible.
Be safe.
Make it a great BDQ day.
We'll see you all on Thursday on the Top Dog News.